Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to see you all again.
Today we're talking about something everyone loves.
Sleep?
No, Paul. Food.
Oh, yes, food. My favorite topic ever.
I knew you'd like this one. So, Paul, do you like cooking?
I like eating. Does that count?
Not really. Cooking and eating are very different.
Okay, then. I'm an excellent eater.
I believe that. What kind of food do you like most?
I love Italian food. Pizza, pasta, lasagna.
Oh, Italian food is amazing. I love pasta too, especially with tomato sauce.
Do you make it yourself?
Sometimes. I like cooking. It's relaxing.
Really? Cooking relaxes you?
Yes. I put on some music and cook slowly. It feels good.
For me, cooking is stressful. I never know what I'm doing.
Let me guess. You burn things.
Guilty. Last week I burned rice. Again.
Rice? That's hard to burn.
I have a talent.
So what do you eat when you don't cook?
I order food. Pizza, noodles, sometimes sushi.
Oh, sushi. You like raw fish?
I didn't at first, but now I love it. Especially with soy sauce.
That's great. I love sushi too, but only vegetarian sushi.
Vegetarian sushi? So no fish?
Right. Just rice, avocado, cucumber, maybe egg. Very fresh.
That actually sounds really good.
It is. What about breakfast, Paul? What do you eat in the morning?
Coffee.
Just coffee.
Sometimes toast, but mostly coffee.
That's not breakfast, Paul.
It's liquid breakfast.
Okay, coffee boy. I like a real breakfast. Eggs, fruit, and yogurt.
Wow, that's healthy.
It helps me start my day strong.
I should try that. But coffee is faster.
Of course. So, what about dessert?
Oh, now we are talking. I love desserts. Chocolate cake, cookies, ice cream,
Me too. My favorite is cheesecake.
cheesecake, the king of desserts.
You really love food.
I told you. Professional eater.
Okay, Mr. Professional Eater. One last question. If you could eat one food forever, what would it be?
Pizza. Definitely pizza.
I knew it.
What about you?
Maybe soup. I love soup. Hot, cozy, and healthy.
That's a good choice.
What about you, everyone?
Yes, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food?
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Learn English Easy Way, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye for now.